Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your pet, our care. I am Dr. Sudarshini Dasanayaka, consultant veterinary surgeon from Sri Lanka. Hope you will enjoy this session. Before we go into the today's topic, I would like to introduce few important facts about your kitten. Your kittens are born with closed eyes. Their eyes open within 7 to 14 days. They become alert and trying to stand at 2 weeks of age. They climb out their box at 3 weeks of age. However, kittens walk, run and play at 4 weeks of age. Most importantly, they begin eat solid food about 3.5 to 4.5 weeks of age. Now we are getting to the today's topic, that is vitamin E and your cat. Vitamin E, this is the general characteristic of vitamin E. It's a fat soluble vitamin. It's insoluble in water, however dispersible in water, but freely soluble in ethanol, ether and acetone. Finally, it's unstable in UV light and alkaline media. Vitamin E appears as slightly yellow to amber color, clear and viscous oil. It's odorless, however it oxidizes and turns dark on exposure to air or light. Vitamin E discovery. Vitamin E discovered by Herbert Evans and Catherine Bishop in 1922. Vitamin E isolation. Vitamin E isolated by Dr. Gladys Anderson Emerson from beet germ oil in 1935. Structure of vitamin E. It contains an isoprenoid side chain attached at the second position of 6 chromanol ring, and its chemical formula C29H50O2. Its molecular weight 430.7 gram per mole. Vitamin E can found in two forms, that is tocopherol and tocotrienol. Tocopherol has saturated side chain. Tocotrienol, they have unsaturated side chains. Both forms you can find 4 isomers, that is alpha, beta, gamma and delta tocopherols and alpha, beta, gamma and delta tocotrienols. But most common forms are alpha and gamma tocopherols. Tocopherols, that word came from Greek language. Tokos in Greek language means childbirth. Pheros means to bear all alcohol. Therefore, this vitamin is definitely related to fertility of animals and human. Dietary vitamin E mainly found as alpha and gamma tocopherol. Alpha tocopherol has the highest biological activity. For vitamin E absorption, your cat must have healthy pancreas, healthy biliary system and proper micelle formation in the intestine. Absorption and transport of vitamin E in your cat. Due to fat solubility, alpha tocopherol incorporated in mixed micelles with dietary fat. Alpha tocopherol absorbed by simple diffusion through small intestine, incorporated to chylomicrons and released to lymphatic for transport to the liver. In the liver, alpha tocopherol binding protein will incorporate it to very low density lipoprotein. Alpha tocopherol laden very low density lipoprotein transport alpha tocopherol throughout the body. Storage and excretion of alpha tocopherol stored within the fat droplets of adipose tissue cells. Primarily excrete through the bile with feces, but some amount of alpha tocopheric acid can be excreted through urine. Benefits of vitamin E: it requires for shiny coat, it improves fertility, it improves cardiovascular health, it improves eyesight by protecting vitamin A, improved immune system, and improved muscular function. We can prescribe vitamin E as a supportive therapy in conditions like chronic hepatitis, renal failure, congestive heart failure, and immune-mediated hemolytic anemia. Vitamin E requirement. According to NRC 2006, for kittens after weaning and adults at maintenance, 38 mg vitamin E per kg of diet. For cats in late gestation and peak lactation, 31 mg vitamin E per kg of diet. High polyunsaturated fatty acid diet, increase suggested minimum to 3 to 4-fold. According to AAFCO 2006 recommendation for all classes of cats, 30 international unit vitamin E per kg of diet. Addition of 10 international unit vitamin E above minimum level per gram of fish oil per kg of diet. You can introduce vitamin E to your cat with dietary intake, that means with food, or in oils and shampoos, that means vitamin E can easily absorb through the skin, and again you can introduce orally as dietary supplement. Vitamin E deficiency. Vitamin E deficiency can be caused by 3 factors, that is an inadequate intake of vitamin E in the diet. Vitamin E mainly found in plant materials. Our cats are obligate carnivores, therefore their usual diet lacks in vitamin E. Due to overconsumption of high levels of polyunsaturated fatty acid that depletes vitamin E may cause vitamin E deficiency, or due to both factors may lead to vitamin E deficiency. Vitamin E most important intercellular and intracellular antioxidant. It reacts with reactive oxygen and free radicals, that is superoxide and hydrogen peroxide, which derive from cellular metabolism. Vitamin E prevents oxidation of membranous phospholipids and adipose tissue polyunsaturated fatty acids by donating electrons to the free radicals. Vitamin E deficiency. During vitamin E deficiency, dietary fat and body fat undergo oxidative degradation that leads to formation of peroxide and hydroperoxide. Accumulation of peroxide in adipose tissue results in pansteatitis. Pansteatitis caused by vitamin E deficiency. It characterized by marked inflammation in adipose tissue with ceroid pigment deposition in fat cells. Yellow fat disease or pansteatitis, same thing. Clinical signs and symptoms: fever, anorexia, depression, dull hair coat, lethargy, vomiting, signs of pain, extremely sensitive skin, masses on or just under the skin. Pansteatitis caused by overabundance of oily fish in diet, that is tuna and sardines, overabundance of white fish in the diet, that is caule, herring and cod, or combination of sardines, anchovies and mackerel, high concentration in diet. Rich sources of vitamin E for your cat: trout, shrimp, Atlantic salmon, egg yolk, abalone, liver, herring, tuna and sardines. Now we are at the end of the session. Hope you enjoy well. Please leave your comments. Please subscribe my channel. hope meet you again with another valuable episode. Until then, take care. Goodbye.